Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I am here with a special dish, beef in banana leaf. Ingredients are given in the description box below. First procedure of this dish is cooking the meat. For that, take a pressure cooker, pour 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, put 1 chopped onion, add 1 kilogram of beef. I used the frozen packet beef which is from Lulu because the local beef here is not as tasty as Indian beef. Add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon crushed ginger garlic. I use Indian garlic and ginger when I cook authentic Kerala dishes. Salt to taste. Mix well with your hands. Add half a cup of water. Mix again and cook for 20 minutes with the lid. Now let's keep a pan on stove. Pour 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 chopped onions, salt to taste. Saute it well. When the onions become soft and transparent, add 1 chopped tomato. Stir well and cook for a minute. Add 2 teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix together. Add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon fennel powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 2 to 3 green chillies, a handful of curry leaves, and few more garlics. Add half a cup of water. Cook till the raw smell goes. Now we are adding the cooked beef. Stir well. We have to cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. Wilt the banana leaf on a low flame. Spread the prepared beef on it. Fold and tie it well. Now keep a pan on fire. Pour 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Keep this packet on pan. Put the lid on. cook for a minute. Now flip the packet and cook for another minute. Put out the fire. Now it's ready to serve. Hope you all liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.